So Darius is talking to the crazy driver on the intercom of the house, and the same road rage driver is again outside the gate and is talking very angrily. And the crazy guy is back behind his wallet, and Cyrus can see the crazy guy car on the camera, and the crazy guy is asking Cyrus and Darius for his wallet back. And Darius and Cyrus are not going to give the crazy guy the wallet back. And Cyrus and Darius tell the crazy guy to go back, but the crazy guy is not going to go back without taking the wallet. And the crazy guy is making a spectacle at the gate by making noise. And then Darius has to agree, and Darius thinks about returning the wallet. And crazy guy is not able to wait, and then crazy guy hits the door with his car. And Cyrus and Darius are shocked, and Cyrus and Darius find the crazy guy very dangerous. And then Darius and Cyrus leave for the gate, and it is seen that there is a lot of smoke at the gate, and crazy guy is at the gate and is asking for his wallet back. And it is seen that the gate is badly damaged, and the car is also slightly damaged, and smoke is coming out of the car, and crazy guy is making a lot of noise for the wallet. And crazy guy is arguing a lot with Cyrus and Darius, and crazy guy is also trying to recover the damage to his car from Cyrus and Darius, and the crazy guy is not admitting his mistake. And crazy guy wants his wallet, and then the wallet is found by the crazy guy, and the crazy guy is in the process of escaping after fighting with Cyrus and Darius. And Cyrus and Darius are about to call the cops, and Cyrus tells the cops all the details of the crazy guy, and then the crazy guy is escaping without paying anything. And Cyrus has video proof in which crazy guy crashes the door, and the crazy guy is not even able to drive properly. And Cyrus and Darius are very surprised at the crazy guy acting. And then the crazy guy escapes, and then the gate is considered, and Cyrus will have to get the gate fixed again, and Darius is very worried. And then after 10 minutes Darius thinks that we should not live in this house from the next week. And then after some time the police also arrive, and Darius wants to inform the police about the whole situation so that does not have to face such a situation next time.